In this practical, we will get knowledge about microscope.
We shall know how to assemble modern microscope with LED.
We shall study human hair.
We shall observe fresh human blood. We shall observe a thin thread. We shall observe plant leaf.
First, we join head with body.
Tighten the screw. Remove the covers. Adjust eyepiece and diopter. Adjustment.
After adjustment of eyepiece, adjust LED.
Now we can get view on LED very clear. Tighten the screw. Connect power cables, both for microscope and LED. First we connect microscope to electrical power. Then we connect LED with electrical power. Then switch on power.
Switch on LED.
Our microscope is ready to use.
First, we observe human hair.
Some hair split into two parts at the end and look as you are watching. Students looking excited to watch. Now we observe a white hair.
See how it looks. First time we are watching our hair zoomed.
It is amazing. Our teacher collecting sample of blood. We watch how our fresh blood look like.
Slide is ready. We can observe blood particles.
They are moving as it is fresh blood.
Red blood cells, white blood cells, and plasma we can observe.
It is our blood.
It looks like as you see.
It is a thin thread that is used for sewing clothes.
When we see it with our eye, it looks single.
It is composed of hundreds of thin threads. Now we observe slide of leaf of plant. A fresh leaf of plant looks as you see here. See corners of leaf. It is amazing.
See water drops at the corners.
Draw a line with a pointer. Now we observe how our writing looks like. It looks like a white strip.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe our channel.
Comment, like and share.